What happened? We need to put candy for grandma. For grandma. Yeah, we need to put candy. Pupunta kayo sa Asian store? Pupunta ba kayo? Mag-transfer ako sa'yo? Ay, sabihin mo na lang kung magkano mag-transfer ako. Bigyan mo ako, pag mag-shopping kayo, bigyan mo na, mag-transfer na lang ako after. May bibiling ka ba sa Lucky Me? Ewan ko. Meron pa ba tayong mga pansit canton? Pansit canton, meron pa?
Oh, baby, take one candy and give it back. You want to eat?
Wala na, ewan ko, ano bang wala na ba tayo? Ikaw ba may bibiling ka? Kung may bibiling ka. Jelana, let me see your candy. Oh, what is that? Let me show mommy. Oh, she got what? What is that, honey? Can I look at it? Oh, happy cherries. Yummy.
I'm never gonna get a piece for you. You know who's gonna give me burrito for you?
Maybe you want to have a cherry?
Me.
You want to have a cherry?
Oh, she doesn't have I was running for that. Too bad. You're good. Too bad. You're good.
Oh, ikot na. Your baby need to go now. Oh, she need to go. See, why you didn't? Oh, she's really nice, Jelana. Why don't you play with her? She's nice. Yeah, see? And you got nice, oh, she can, yep. You have to talk. Hi, Chelsea. How are you, Chelsea? Oh, let's go swimming together, Chelsea. Yay. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Oh, she can drive. Can I learn to drive?
Me?
Yeah, she need to drive.
Okay, so I'll get the blue one. I'll get the blue one. Where you go?
Hi, I want to ride. Oh, be careful driving. Oh, no. You need to...
What do I wish?
Oh, Jolene. Okay.
I will go again.
Hi.
Oh no!
Hi. Oh, no.
What do you want?
Okay, Grandma, play now with Grandma. Oh. Okay, play with Grandma. Where's Grandma's tip? Gone? Okay, play again with Grandma. Oh! Oh, no. Thank you, Mia. Oh, Mia said she liked your toys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Oh! Oh! Jelana! Okay, I want to go for Ferris wheel now. Can I go Ferris wheel, please?
Yeah, go.
Okay, let's go.
And me.
Okay, thank you.
Aww.
What happened?
I